Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about what are chakras. No, not what are chakras. Why should we balance chakras? I'm assuming that you already know what these are, and so basically these are just energy centers which are in your body. We are going to talk about how to balance these. Firstly, why should we balance this? Basically you should balance this for a good life. Okay, let's go to the first one. Okay, first I'll tell you, this is the root chakra on the bottom, related to survival and stuff. So yeah, so this is a table in which it's written what are the excessive qualities and what are the deficient qualities. Our goal is to be in the balanced qualities. Okay, so if you are overweight, stubborn, heavy, overly bound to structure, materialistic or greedy, and trapped in the body, it means you are excessive. If you are these: underweight, fearful, restless, resist structure, prone to poverty consciousness, disconnected from the body, you are deficient. If you are this, these qualities: physically healthy, stable, grounded, solid, prosperous, has right livelihood, present in the body, then you are in the balanced state. So our goal for all of these chakras is to be in the balanced qualities. And like, even if you don't believe in this stuff, it's these are very good qualities. Just you should make it a goal to be in the balanced qualities, even if you don't believe it. It doesn't matter. So what's the psychology of this? Grounding in the moment, roots is where life happen, base of spine, all that stuff. So how do we fix this? So these are the actions that we need to take. Adrenal needs to calm down first. Basically, adrenal glands are something which are just sitting on top of your kidneys, and these glands make stress hormones. The stress hormones are cortisol and adrenaline. If these stress hormones are too much, these cortisol and adrenaline, then obviously you will not feel safe, and this will put this chakra out of balance. Okay, next one is money issues must be resolved, at least to be working hard to get them resolved. Obviously you need money to feel safe, safety and reliance. Go to the gym so that your body is strong, get up early, care for your physical body. Guys, this is kind of very obvious stuff, still we somehow don't do it. Be sure to really relax and have time to just be surround yourself with proactive people. So just don't keep working hard. You should relax also, sleep well, get a good massage if needed, and you should work hard, make money, feel safe, and then relax. You have to do all this, and you have to be in balanced qualities. So if you think this root chakra is not balanced, just go and take all these actions written right here. Okay, let's take the next one, which is sacral chakra right here. So this one is related to emotions and feelings and pleasures. So let's see what are the excessive qualities. Excessive are overly emotional, self-indulgent, seductive, addictive personality, overly sensitive. Some people just are too sensitive. Obsessive attachment, loose body and pelvis, around your reproductive area, highly sexual. So these are excessive qualities. Deficient qualities are out of touch with emotions, basically just opposite of this. Avoids pleasure, prudish, overly strict, punishing, numb, lacks desire, rigid body, non-sexual. So obviously we want to be in the balanced qualities. We will see what's that. Emotionally connected, capacity for deep pleasure, they can at least have pleasure, healthy boundaries, ability to embrace change, ability to feel deeply but not get lost in emotions, nurturing to self and others, graceful movement, sexuality and sensuality balance. And what's the psychology? Like and dislike, fun and not fun, sexual openness, flow of emotions, social abilities. If you see someone very charismatic person, or you think this person just gets along with everyone likes him or her, so basically his or her sacral chakra is working very good. It's very open, it's very balanced, and people love this guy or girl. And how to heal this? If you feel like it's not balanced, you can just take all these actions written here: dance, go out to socialize, talking to new people, laughing and playing, doing things that are beyond your comfort zone, entering into creative play, healthy sexual experiences. You have to be open to having sexual experiences. Don't make it a taboo, go and do it. Okay, let's jump to the next one, which is solar plexus chakra. So this one is related to leadership, action taking, all this stuff, making decisions. So let's see what are the excessive qualities: controlling, dominating, constant reactive, ulcers, heartburns, temperature on the warm side, arrogant, stubborn, driven. So these are excessive. Deficient, weak-willed, victim mentality, passive, poor digestion, temperature on the cool side, low energy, blaming, aimless, not good. Now let's see the balanced qualities. Assertive, neither controlling, neither weak-willed, assertive, deliberate, self-disciplined, good digestion. Warm, it means the temperature of the body is neither warm nor neither cool, it's normal. Confident, not arrogant, not low energy, just confident, courageous and purposeful. So these are the balanced qualities we want to be in these ones. Okay, so I've already told you the psychology: separate identity from others, unique, you are a unique person, confidence, leadership, willpower. Ways to heal: so you have to break habits and build new ones. Basically break the bad habits and build new ones. Challenge yourself every day, abstain from poor dietary choices. Forgive me if you can hear these birds in the background, I can't do anything about that. Okay, so yeah, make choices aligned with your own unique values, develop focus and concentration through undertaking new challenges, leave disempowering people and groups. Yeah, so you have to do this stuff. So what I'll say, just start taking action, start making decisions, and if you have a team or some people to lead, just start leading them, take decisions for them also, because most of the people are just waiting for someone to take a decision and do something. Don't be one of them. Become a leader and do what you need to do, take the right decision. Let's talk about the heart chakra now. So obviously it's the heart chakra, it's related to love, and the excessive qualities are need for attention and approval, clinging to others, people pleasing, poor boundaries and codependency. Deficient qualities are critical and intolerant, isolating and withdrawn, uncaring, excessive boundaries, fear of intimacy. Balanced qualities are empathetic and peaceful, self-accepting, caring, generous and forgiving. Forgiving is very important, guys. And yeah, what's the psychology? Ability to love self, love others, give and receive, moving out of egoic thought patterns and seeing the world as an interconnected whole. Yeah, generosity and giving, deeper interpersonal relationships, basically just loving everyone, receiving love and being peaceful, right? So how to heal this? If you think this is not balanced, how to come here? Just do this, practice loving kindness every day. Meditation, during meditation, practice a daily, this one is really good, practice a daily gratitude journal. Forgive those who have resentment towards, like if you have a grudge or hated someone, you have to forgive him or her, and just do one act of kindness for everyone. Just help someone, maybe your friend or stranger, for no reason. If you can see someone needs help, just go and help someone every single day for no reason. That's how you heal this one. Let's go to the next one now. This one is the throat chakra. Okay, basically when we speak, we are using our throat chakra. While making this video, I'm using my throat chakra. Okay, basically communication. So excessive qualities are talking too much, excessive loudness, stuttering, gossiping, difficulty containing yourself, just speaking too much. Deficient qualities are fear of speaking up, like we're not speaking anything, speaking with a small weak voice, having difficulty putting feelings into words, being secretive, being overly self-contained. And the balanced qualities are obviously clear communication, speaking with a resonant full voice, knowing your own truth, being a good listener, being in harmony with self and others. So what's the psychology? Let's see. Trust in yourself and it's okay to speak your truth, ability to confine. Basically you can just communicate, tell what you think and share your skills, and ability to stand up oneself, mastery of creative expression. So what you can express yourself in a good creative way. Okay, ways to heal: practice singing, music, creative writing. Basically journaling and all is also a form of throat chakra action. Start a blog, find a personal voice, and basically just starting your own channel or Instagram page or a book, something like that. Seek out relations where you know it's time for an honest conversation. Yeah, so I think this is pretty easy to understand. You have to speak what you know, you have to share your skills, you have to share your knowledge, be of value, and yeah, that's a very important thing for a peaceful life. Now let's jump into the next chakra, which is the brain chakra, also called as the third eye chakra. Okay, you can see this eye type thing. Now, some people are just afraid of this third eye, that this is very scary, this is demonic, but basically it's just your pineal gland sitting inside your brain. Okay, let's see the excessive qualities: hallucinations, delusional, obsessive, nightmares, intrusive memories. Even I don't know what that means, you can just Google it, sorry. Difficulty concentrating, deficient qualities, lack of imagination, difficulty visualizing, insensitive, no dream recall. So many people have this, I have observed. Many people tell me that they can't remember their dreams. So yeah, this is a deficient qualities: denial, blind to truth, poor memory. Balance qualities, yeah, this is our goal. We have to be in these. Okay, imaginative, insightful, intuitive, remembers dreams, clarity, visionary. Psychology, let's see what's the psychology. Critical thinking, discerning truth from lies. What are you allowing in your mental space? Do you want to get smarter? Lifelong learning and all that stuff. Just basically being smart and differentiating between false and truth. This is a very important thing. And ability to imagine stuff, and you can observe what's going on in your brain. Okay, ways to heal. Meditation is the single most important practice. Yeah, so yeah, I can say it with my own experience that if you want to heal your brain chakra, meditation is very, very, very important. And I've also made a video on 3 meditations to slow down time, so I'll just add a card in the video, and you can just see on the top right that you can see this video. It must be popping up right on the top right somewhere if you want to know what meditations to do. And yeah, let's see. Learning to spend quiet time to think about without distraction. Now let's jump into the last chakra, which is the crown chakra, which connects us to the infinity. It is the 7th chakra and kind of my favorite one for some reason. And yeah, so this is kind of related to God, to the whole universe, and all the stuff that we don't want to believe in, mostly logical and scientific people. This one is that. And yeah, it's real, so we have to consider this, because this chakra makes life very, very easy if you know how to use this. Okay, firstly you have to believe this all exists, otherwise there's no use of practicing all this, obviously. And yeah, this crown chakra is my favorite one, because this is the most high vibrational chakra you have in your body. I'll talk about the vibes of each chakras in the end of this video. Okay, so let's see the excessive qualities. Frenetic worship, basically too much worship like a crazy person, intellectualizing, spiritual addiction. Some people just say that I just want to be in the spirit world, that physical stuff is boring, not bad, and actually that's excessive quality, that's not good. And dissociation from the body, like what I just said. Excessive purity and righteousness, that some people are too much excessively pure, and that's just odd. There's a balance between it. Let's see deficient qualities. Cynicism basically means just doubting everything and being suspecting everyone and stuff. Rigid belief systems, apathy, learning difficulties, materialism, self-indulgence. These are the deficient qualities. Let's see the balanced qualities. Equanimity. So what does it mean? Even I don't know. So let's just Google it. Calmness and composure, especially in a difficult situation. So that's what it is, guys. I know this was unprofessional, just Googling something out of nowhere, but it is what it is. You have to accept it. Okay. Now let's see the balanced qualities. Open-mindedness, we know what it is. Intelligence, presence, spiritual connection. We just need to have a spiritual connection, not too much spirituality and righteousness, and not just being too much trapped in the body and in the material world. We need a spiritual connection. That's all we need. That's the balance. Now let's see the psychology and dynamics, relationship to the divine self, openness to surrender to the higher intelligence. Like we say that there is a higher intelligence or higher self, something like that. This is what we're talking about, the crown chakra, ability to read signs and symbols. Basically, you can just see some signs around and you know what it means, something like that. Ways to heal: meditation, prayer, fasting, willingness to let go of egoic plans and ideas to allow the divine to work. Basically just surrendering. And you can obviously meditate and do some prayers, fasting, and also you can take some psychedelics if they are legal in your area. Okay, so you have to be careful with that. I'm not promoting psychedelics in any way, but it's a very fast shortcut to experience your crown chakra and open it. Okay, and now, like I was saying, that let's talk about the vibes of each and every chakra. I'll just tell you a little bit about that. Yeah, so every chakra has a different vibe. So what's vibe basically? So there is a map of consciousness, your map of consciousness. Basically your consciousness can go from 0 to 1000, below 200 this is negativity, and above 200 this is positivity. Okay, so every chakra has a different vibe. Root chakra has 200, 275 for your sacral chakra, somewhere here. Same for your action taking chakra called the solar plexus chakra, somewhere here. Heart chakra is around 505, 350 for your throat chakra, 525 for your brain or third eye chakra, and 600 for your crown chakra. That's why I was saying that this crown chakra is the highest vibrational one. And yeah, this is a video I made. If you are wondering what is all this, I'll just add a card on the top right and you can just click on it and I will tell you what are these brain waves and what's happening and what's the game of life. Okay, so yeah, this is a little bit about vibration. So yeah, if you want to live a very good peaceful life, you have to be somewhere here, in the high vibrations. And yeah, this is it for this video, guys. And what else to tell? There is nothing else to tell to you. So yeah, comment down in the comment section what are your reviews, and do you have any more suggestions that which videos I should make, and like the video so that people and the YouTube algorithm can know that this video is good, people like it, and it can promote it a little bit, and I will get some motivation when you like the video. And subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of these more knowledgeable videos. In this channel we are going to talk about many books, not just spirituality, very logical thinking, health, and all the interesting books that can be beneficial for your personal growth, your intellectual growth, your physical growth, and all the growth that you need in the world, basically, because I'll keep reading books and making videos and you'll receive all that information in a video format. So how fun is that, right? So see you in the next video. Bye bye.